Just making a quick short video of my bucket list waterfalls project. I want to be able to see all of them in the Otways, whether or not it's me walking to it, driving up beside it, or if I have to use the wheelchair. The challenging part about this project is the fact that I've got multiple sclerosis and it's affecting my legs, so I can't walk very far without a lot of training. But I'm looking at a lot of different sorts of equipment that might be able to help me go a bit further. I'm getting a new wheelchair and attachment for it to be able to get me around.
Yeah, so then you can take good, look.
And I realise there's some I'm going to keep on the bottom of the list to wait till I'm much better and can walk a bit. I've made a list of all the waterfalls that we can name off the top of our head. Obviously Wire River and Mousetrap Complex will have to wait until I'm well abled. I'll just try and tick as many off as I can. Feel free to add any that I have missed out. I've also ticked off all of the ones that I've done previously in the past, but some of them I will be redoing to go with my family and to document it better, because I just cannot remember physically seeing some of these falls. For instance, Kalimna Upper and Lower, I know I've been there, I went on a hike there, but I just can't remember seeing it at all. So I thought, if I've got the footage, then at least I'll remember it.
I've never seen so much water come off there. I'm not going anywhere, mate. This is right in the middle of the road.